drawn and sung by Watt Light. If I were City Island's mayor, just think what I could do. I'd hire a robot dinosaur to liven up the zoo. And if I were the mayor, I'd build lots of helpful things, like escalator water slides and subway time machines. And if you're a friendly citizen who's too in a rush to walk, just step right on and zoom along our conveyor belt sidewalk. If I were the mayor, I'd be helpful as can be, showing everyone I care as Mayor Watt. That's me! I've always thought that classes would be way more fun outside. Well, guess what? Now they can be on my classroom coaster ride. It's all a part of my initiative to make school even more fun. Learn geometry through laser tag. They'll say, this mayor's number one.
Watt, your ideas are so fun, but there's a few things you should know about being mayor. When you are the mayor, you don't just tell folks what to do. Be alert to your town's ideas. You have to listen too. And when you are the mayor, you work with lots of different types. We all have to work together to improve each other's lives. A mayor is a leader and a public servant too. Their job's to serve the people, people like me and you.
If I am the mayor,
You'll remember what to do.
and show everyone I care. As Mayor Watt, that's me!
That's you.
Watch your favorite shows on your PBS station or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.